Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Instagram name without Facebook. If you wanna change your Instagram name and it's also changed to your Facebook, so in this situation, maybe you can sync with your Facebook account. So go for edit profile here, and if I go for change my name from here, and it will change with my Facebook account. So for this problem, first of all, go to your profile, click on this three line option, go for settings and privacy. Now go for account center. You can see I have I have my Facebook account linked here and my Instagram account here. Go for your Instagram account. Now click your Instagram account also here, and you can see I turned off this sync profile info. Maybe you have this turned on. That's why if you wanna change your Instagram name and it will also change with your Facebook account. So you have to turn it off always. So that's it. This is how you can fix Instagram account name without Facebook. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.